I'm Yasmin, I'm a junior officer here at Beacons, and oh my god, we have had an amazing weekend here at Summit. Thank you to everybody who's come. We've had a beautiful time hosting panels, workshops and all the live music as well.
Yeah, Beacons is a great charity working with empowering youth to enter into the music industry and creating a more diverse and equal scene for all of us.
I just hosted a panel about well-being and mental health for people in the music industry. From the panel, I would just like people to take away kind of just like opening up a conversation really, and feeling like we're kind of breaking the taboo of talking about stuff like this. And yeah, just feeling like they could relate to some things, and maybe hopefully taking away some positive tips and tricks on how to maintain your well-being.
The Beacons run a project called the Honey Sessions. I applied off of a random sort of whim, didn't think I was going to get anywhere with it, and then I became one of the artists on their project this year. Met lovely Sizway, and here I am now. My highlight has been seeing all the other lovely artists in the Welsh industry that have played tonight. It's not over yet, but I'm excited to go back in and see more.
I went to last night, the live music in Rostio, and it was a Jules Holland style dynamic, and I thought it was awesome. And I've not seen that dynamic in a live music event before, and I thought it worked really well. And there's a lot of inclusivity, and it's a really accepting environment, an informative environment.
I think the industry is such a hard thing to get into anyway. I don't think it's an easy job to do, no matter what kind of role you want to go into. But especially as a woman as well, I think it makes it all the harder, you know. So it's nice to have a nice space to feel comfortable whilst learning a lot.
It's so important to have events like Summit, because the industry needs to know how young people are feeling, and they need to stop speaking between each other and trying to guess. You know, it's for young people to say how this industry is working out for us and what we need to see changed. It's so awesome how everyone uplifts each other and can meet each other at these events, but it's also just really important for people in the industry to listen and learn from each other and understand that we can constantly develop and we can constantly learn new things from each other, and things like Summit give the opportunity for that to happen.
Events like Summit are so important for people like me, who is still I'm still trying to find my place within the music industry, and it's nice to have other people who are almost on the same journey as I am to come into these spaces and have the opportunity to chat with me and chat along other people, and maybe you'll learn something that you didn't know about either. So that's why I really do appreciate things like Summit.
So, a massive thank you to everybody who came out to our Summit conference this year. We hope we'll catch you next year as well. We had so much fun hosting all the events and the projects and workshops that we did this weekend. So if you want to stay up to date and find us again, you can hit us up at beacons.cymru. You can find us there and find out about all of our projects like the Honey Sessions, Resonant, which will be coming soon, and any of our future events. So, see you next year.